How much?
1,000.
1,000! Grabe. Grabe ka, Brad. Grabe ka makataga. Tricycle driver, naningil, 1,000. Ito masama nito kasi hindi kayo magkakaintindihan yan kasi ikaw, kulang ka sa English. Kapos yung English mo. Akala mo baguhan sa Maynila.
No, it's too much, bro. 1,000 is too
How
much.
much? How much?
I give you 200.
Hindi, 500.
No, I can give you
500.
200.
You say 250.
No, I want to marketplace. You don't understand
Yeah.
me. You don't understand me, right? 200, okay.
250.
200.
250.
200.
250. You tell
No,
me. I say
200.
250.
You have change?
Yeah.
Nangihina ng sukli yung foreigner, yung pasahero niya. Kapos pa yung pira niya, 150 ang isusukli niya. Ayaw pa rin pumayag ng foreigner. Akala mo yata may isahan mo ha. Ito, tingnan pa natin.
Oh, you give. Oh, what is this, bro?
150.
I go. What? Give. No, this.
150 my team.
Kaya naman pala. Naku po, kasama pala ang tip doon. Isa na nag-presyo sa kanyang tip.
Paper money.
My team.
Paper money. Wait. I go change the money. I go change.
You must always barya, sir, in the Philippines because some other tricycle driver is not good.
Yes, they try to rip me off every time.
Okay.
250 he wants. It's okay?
No,
Too much?
too much.
250 here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You go.
You ripped me off, but it's okay. You rich man now.
Ayaw kasi, ang akala mo, baguhan dito sa Manila. Ito pang masama, vlogger pala yon. Ano malay mo, sinusubukan ka lang nun. Meron ka sanang pabuya, kaya lang nauna yung gulang mo. Nauna yung pandarambong mo, pandaraya. Kaya ayan. Pero dapat hindi ganun. Pag ganyan, dapat inalagaan natin ng ating mga turista na bumibisita dito sa atin. Para naman, pagbalik nila sa kanila, meron silang baon na magandang kwento. May kwento sa kanilang pamilya na ganito tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Mapapabait, mapagkalinga sa mga bisita. Sana ganun sana ang mindset. Sana wag mo nang ulitin yon, boss. Malas mo lang, nakatapat mo, vlogger din. Dapat may pabuya ka sana doon. Kaya lang, nauna yung gulang mo. Yung tuloy, wala.
You're a rich man. He ripped me off.